What is the difference between heat resisting flex and ordinary duty flex? This is a question that's coming from Ethan, who's a level 2 learner. And to do that, we're going to show the testing. So the main difference is the compounds themselves within the cable. And the big test that's different is the thermal stability test. So we're going to show that and how the thermal stability test is done. And that involves making these special test tubes. So it's 110 millimeters long and they've got a special 4mm diameter. And we have to make these test tubes from this long length, so they're in those specific lengths. And then we're cutting samples into specific weights, so 500 milligrams plus or minus 50 milligrams. And then we're putting them into the test tube, exposing them to a high temperature for a long period of time, so 200 degrees Celsius, and we're measuring until the compound breaks down. The way we know the compound's broken down is when PVC degrades, it releases hydrochloric acid. And if you can remember back to school days, we have litmus paper, and when you had litmus paper or pH indication paper, when it turns red, then there's acid present. So we have indication paper in the top of the test tubes. When that goes red, the material's broken down and we've got the failure point. British standard for this test, if we're looking at panel wiring or a heat resisting flex, we're looking for 4 hours at 200 degrees Celsius before that failure occurs. And then with our compounds and our cables, we're always trying to go above and beyond that amount. So we're looking to exceed that 4 hours time period so that the cable's got a longer lifespan than some of the other products that are in the marketplace. So that's just another small example about how we make manufacturing decisions for the electrician. We're always looking to add value, whether that's ease of install or the product actually lasting longer. And compared to the rest of the cables in the marketplace where we're looking for that lower price, it just shows you how you can make decisions to make a cheaper or a better quality product.